Davison, and today on Sky News I will update you on the devastating floods throughout Queensland, Australia. The tropical cyclone Tasha caused devastating damage to Queensland and resulted in many days of heavy rain. You may know that floods have often occurred here in this area many times throughout history. Now I will hand you over to Kennedy for more information.
Thank you, Ben. In Brisbane, there was major flooding in 1893 and again in 1974 as the Brisbane River broke its bank and flooded low-lying areas. During December 2010, the powerful floods came washing into land. Now, in January 2011, the floods are slowly washing away. The most recent floods have forced the evacuation of thousands of people from towns and cities. At least 70 towns and over 200,000 people were affected. Unfortunately, 35 people have been killed and 9 are still missing.
In 1995, a flood struck the Rhine River, causing devastating damage to the surrounding areas. The Rhine River borders several countries. It goes through Switzerland and along the western part of Germany, and sometimes past the Netherlands, travelling into the North Sea. Weeks of snow piled up in Germany and melted due to the rise of temperature. Heavy rain also lasted for a long period of time. As the water levels rose in different areas, flood warnings were sent to other regions and other people. Now on to Rebecca for more information.
Thank you. In Toowoomba, west of Brisbane, on Monday, cars were being swept away in the Australia floods. In the photo that we're just about to show you, it shows a car park which has been flooded under 6 minutes. From the strong wind and water current, cars were being swept away and eventually started piling on top of each other.
Unprepared for this deadly weather, not many things could help to limit the effects. We can't prevent a natural disaster from happening, therefore many thousands of people had to evacuate. As you can see, many people tried protecting their properties with sandbags. The sandbags absorb the water as well as create a dam. This prevents the water from flooding the area. Thank you.
Flood warnings now occur when the weather looks threatening. This happens so people have enough time to evacuate the area. Houses are also being built in higher land to prevent destruction, as well as they're being created to be more sturdy to make them tolerate devastating weather. There were also flood barriers placed around overflowing waters, such as lakes and rivers.
In the worst affected areas of Ipswich, Goodna, and Gales, the flooding allowed the bull sharks to reach the centre of Goodna. One was spotted swimming in William Street and another in Queen Street. Evacuation centres were set up at the Central Queensland University, at the RNA Showground in Bowen Hills, and the local hospital and aged care home was set up as an evacuation centre. Thank you.
The differences between a less economically developed country and a more economically developed country is that a less economically developed country takes longer to repair things due to the fact that they don't have much money. The healthcare system isn't as well as a more economically developed country, so it is tougher to help injured people. The transportation is poor, making it difficult to receive help from other areas.
An estimated 20,000 homes were flooded when the Brisbane River infrastructure was destroyed. The towns of Gayndah and Mudambara were isolated for several days, and there was major disruption to the potable water supply and local agriculture production.
Toowoomba, west of Brisbane. On Monday, cars were swept away.
Lights, action, go. Out in January 2011.
Oh my god, we were doing the weather. I can't play this. How you start? You have to be looking at.
As the Brisbane River broke its banks. Huh?
Can you see me?
It's a movie.
In the movie, can you see me?
Ben!
Ready? Ready? Is she filming?
Well, as they're created to be more sturdy to tolerate.
Bye bye and thanks for